Now we speak business. Information, Communication and Digital Economy Cabinet Secretary Eliud Owalo says the government is seeking to fast-track the critical infrastructure to ensure that to help curtail fibre optic cuts across the country. Now the government is currently installing 100,000 kilometers of fibre optic highway dubbed the digital superhighway project that is aimed at opening up the uptake and access of digital services across the country.
As the government fast-tracks the completion of the 100,000 kilometer fibre optic installation project dubbed the digital superhighway, fears of fibre optic cuts that have been witnessed across the country in the recent years cast a shadow of uncertainty over the efficacy and reliability of the mega project.
ICT fiber optic cable, just like any other critical infrastructure, will be considered as critical infrastructure. We want to come up with a situation where when the Kenya National Highways Authority or the Kenya Rural Roads Authority are rolling around roads, they do not interfere with fiber connectivity.
But the Information, Communication and Digital Economy Cabinet Secretary Eliud Owalo has allayed fears, stating that the government is working round the clock to ensure relevant laws are passed to protect the critical infrastructure.
Water piping will be undertaken without interfering with the fiber connectivity, and so does also the electricity polling and electricity wiring.
Owalo said that the government is also working on creating synergies between line organizations to reduce duplicity of infrastructure as well as destruction, while constructing and expanding other complementary infrastructure such as roads, water and sewerage lines. Government is banking on the completion of the multi-billion super digital highway to expand digital uptake and access in the country, as well as creating jobs for the over 5 million Kenyan youths. Installation of 145,000 digital labs across the country, a further 25,000 hotspots in marketplaces is underway. Owalo spoke as he launched digital laboratories in Maseno School, Maseno University and St. Mary's School Yala in Kisumu and Siaya counties respectively. Tracy Abega, Prime Edition, Kisumu County.